Welcome, Randon. You made it in time. Even with all the traffic in Vegas, what with CES being in town?
Yeah, that was a long drive, but it wasn't bad at all. Thanks for keeping me entertained, though.
You're welcome.
What you just heard was more than a greeting. It's the beginning of a seamless journey. A journey where LG AI transforms your vehicle into a personal space that truly gets to know you. We're off to an incredible start this year. We're proud to announce that LG's AI-powered in-vehicle solutions was presented with the prestigious Best Innovation in the in-vehicle entertainment category this year. This recognition reaffirms our mission. We are not a mere automotive supplier of just vehicle components. We are an experienced architect, engineering affectionate intelligence, transforming vehicles into smart, personalized spaces for our OEM customers. Drawing upon LG's unparalleled and unique cross-domain expertise in consumer electronics and IT, we're bringing AI intelligence from the home now to the road, getting you simply more than just getting from point A to point B. We're offering you the mobility experiences and moments in between. At the heart of this transition is our automotive vision solution, an advanced in-cabin sensing system powered by LG AI. It tracks your eyes, recognizes gestures, and understands your needs and intentions in real time as it delivers technology that anticipates, responds, and enriches every moment of your journey. Here's a visual example of how travel inside an LG-equipped vehicle would be. Because the moment autonomous driving is engaged, the ordinary simply fades away. The dashboard instantly switches from a monotonous 2D display to an immersive 3D interface that's both dynamic and intuitive. For those in the passenger seat, the interaction is equally smart. Spot an intriguing billboard, swipe down, and 3D product information springs to life on the display, enabling end-to-end retail capabilities. This is what we call true expansion of wellness, where every seat becomes its own personalized, unique world, where your gaze and gestures bridge the gap between curiosity and information exploration. For those in the rear, our in-vehicle entertainment solution, powered by LG AI, expands the boundaries of your connected spaces. Content previously viewed at home continues in-cabin, but on the side window, where just a simple tap sends it to the rear seat entertainment display. Now passengers can dive into entertainment seamlessly during travel. Let's say while driving, you spot a location that sparks a memory. You can instantly capture and share it with a loved one to reminisce that moment, making every mile an opportunity to connect. Best yet, this connected space extends beyond the cabin. Imagine someone outside the vehicle trying to communicate using sign language. With advanced hand gesture recognition and real-time translation capabilities, LG AI enables full two-way communication as it breaks down barriers to create even more meaningful connections. This is what LG calls expansion of connected spaces, where technology doesn't just link devices together, but it bridges people together with social interactivity. With regards to the driver's interface, there's even more LG innovation at play, as our mobility display solution transforms the windshield into an intelligent canvas. Again, with just a simple swipe, the interface expands from the center information display onto the windshield itself, augmenting essential information ranging from real-time traffic light countdowns, lane guidance, and even navigation cues directly onto the road ahead. When you drive autonomously, your travel experience transforms entirely. A lengthy, monotonous tunnel comes to life as a soothing and engaging digital forest. Cherry blossoms drift in harmony as magic music is played to calm one's mind. This is our expansion of perception, where the windshield augments reality itself, transforming not only what you see, but how you experience every mile of every moment. The experiences demonstrated here represents our core vision for our intelligent mobility solutions. Some technology is available today, some in the near horizon. But we're sharing this with you today as an inspiration towards what we can achieve together with the support of our OEM partners. Because as an experienced architect, LG truly stands apart. We're leveraging our on-device, multimodal, generative AI platform to orchestrate better living in real time. And this spans across our entire portfolio, ranging from in-vehicle infotainment, connectivity, displays, ADAS vision systems, lamps, and even powertrain solutions. Now, from the home to roads and beyond, we're engineering a connected tomorrow that's truly intelligent, effortlessly seamless, and ultimately providing a personalized space that's uniquely yours. Thank you.